My chicken's out on this nice spring type February day. As you can tell, they done depleted all this greenery in here. But they love these weeds. He's calling them, see? He's calling them right there. But they're gonna eat all this greenery out here. It ain't much of it, but it's sporadic, but it's something that that they can eat besides the corn I give them. And see, he's calling them right there. He's letting them know he found some food. See that right there? Ain't that cool? It's supposed to be about 64 today, and it's really nice here. I'm loving it. But they're gonna enjoy this green grass. I'm gonna let them free range out in here. Yeah, they're gonna enjoy this green grass, weeds and stuff. There's some pretty hens in there and roosters. My bees are enjoying it too. This warm spring type day. See the pollen that just went in there? See the pollen? They're getting some pollen. Ain't that cool? They're getting a bunch of pollen in from somewhere. Pollen is what they use to make bee bread. They use the enzymes that they have and mix it with the pollen, and they make that bee bread, and they use that for their protein. They use honey for the carbohydrates and stuff. I'm not just a knife person. I fool with bees and chickens. I love the outdoors. I love it. But I always have pocket knives on me, always. Fixing to go open a package I received from J.O. Ventures Outdoors. We're gonna check out them sheaths he made me. I got the package in today. Let's go take a look at them. Okay, this is the package from J.O. Ventures Outdoors, Mr. John. If you remember, he did a 2 sheaths for me. One for that Western I bought off of eBay. It had a broke tip. I redone the tip. We're about to look at that knife and look at the sheath he made. And I also sent him the Case XX Fin fixed blade knife that I received from Jeff from Dearborn, Michigan. So he's done with those sheaths. Y'all can watch the videos on his channel, J.O. Ventures Outdoors. I'll leave the links in the description of this video down below. Be sure to comment. I'm not going to promote this now. Be sure to comment. In a week, I'm going to be giving a buck Spitfire 722 away. I'm going to order it straight from Buck, and it's going to come straight to you. Y'all comment below, and I'll pick a random comment. If I say anything about a giveaway on the title, then I'll get scammers. But if I just keep it enclosed here for us, I think it'll be fine. But again, y'all be sure to comment on this video, and I'll pick a random comment in about a week. I might wait for 2 weeks, but I'm gonna be giving somebody a Buck Spitfire straight from Buck. Black handles just like this one here. Okay, so be sure to comment on this video. All right, there's the stars. out of the way. All right, guys, if y'all haven't checked him out yet, y'all need to go over there. He's a great guy. Indiana. He's just a great down-to-earth guy. He really is. And he says, Kevin, thank you so much for asking me to make these sheaths for you. I really enjoyed both projects. Great to get to knowing you. Thank you for saving the lives of old knives. John, J.O. Ventures Outdoors. God bless. Hoorah, buddy. Thank you. Thank you so much. And John, I will be sending you another knife sheath from here. I want you to take this button out here and replace this piece here on this sheath. This is the actual sheath. I think it's OD Mills. I believe I am reading that right. But I know it's D Mills. I just can't make that out. It ain't real clear. It could be a G too. So, but this was in Vietnam. 16 has 16 flight missions recorded on here by the notches in the handle here. But I want you to tighten this thing up here and fix this button up here. Okay, I'll be sending it to you here real soon. I'll contact you by email tonight. But again, guys, great guy. Y'all go check him out. J.O. Ventures Outdoors. You're gonna see the quality work he done. He actually made some videos doing these sheaths here, which is so cool. Very cool. Oh, man, oh me. Man, oh me. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's going on my hip right now. I already got one on my hip. That one's coming off. And I'm fixing to wear that booger bear right there now. Guys, check this out. Look at that quality work. Look at the stitching. Look at that. You can't buy anything like this, guys. I'm telling you. You cannot buy anything of this quality nowhere in stores. And it fits like a glove. You remember this knife? I did that point right there. Don't that look good? It's the Western 1977 wood handles, light blade knife, and it's sharp and it's sharp. Beautiful knife. Beautiful knife with a beautiful sheath. Now I had to have that bear. Kind of reminds me of my old dog Brig that just passed away. I always called him Bear sometimes because he was so thick and had a big old head, and he loved to eat. But J.O. he makes his mark like that. But don't that look good? The stitching, check that out. Beautiful work, J.O. Beautiful work, John. Beautiful work, man. I love this. Love this. Nice sheath. You just wouldn't believe the quality, guys. I hope y'all are seeing it, but the video does not do it justice on how it feels. I mean, it just feels so solid, man. And check this one out. Remember, Jeff sent me this knife. His father-in-law was a Marine. He passed away. He sent me this knife. And I just don't know what to say, guys. And look at the sheath now. Ain't that awesome? But Jeff lives in Dearborn, Michigan. And it has a great sheath for it now. Check that out. Ain't that cool? Again, guys, this case fixed blade knives are a little bit different than pocket knives. Pocket knives started the dot system in 1970. Fixed blades did not. They started theirs in 1980, the dot system. So this knife could have been made between 1964 all the way up to 1980. So, but ain't it excellent shape. Look at that, man. And it's sharp too. Sharp. It's got some battle scars now. You see all them scratches, but again, guys, you just have to let, sometimes you just have to let an old knife be an old knife. And there ain't nothing wrong with that. A perfect knife is meant to be new. Old knives are meant to have battle scars. I'm not saying keep them dirty, but clean them up and let them be graced with age. You know what I mean? That's what you care. Why you carry them old pocket knives for? The age and the stories. Ain't no telling what stories are behind that knife. Just think if that knife could talk. What stories could it tell? You know? Especially living up there in Michigan, having to deal with them, the winters they have. Oh boy. But look here, guys. That is so nice. Again, a quality work. See there, USMC, American flag, J.O. Look at the stitching on there. Look at that. Beautiful, J.O. Beautiful work, John. I'm very, very pleased. And again, guys, you won't be able to go to a store and buy quality work like this. You just won't. You just won't. But I'm fixing to put this joker on my belt. It is. See, it's got the match stripe too. I like that. John, you outdone yourself, man. I love these sheaths, man. Love them. Love them. Go check him out and go watch the videos, guys. He's got videos on both of these, especially this one here. He shows how he did it from the beginning to the end on this one. This one here, he has a short one, just showing you the sheath. But this one here, beginning to end, exactly how he done it. It's a little long, but it's worth it. You learn a lot if you're into, if you want to get into leather. That's the video to watch right here. Good stuff. Again, J.O. Ventures Outdoors. Check him out. What about that, guys? How about these leather sheaths? I'm telling you, I know I done said it 2 or 3 times, but you won't be able to go buy this type of leather sheath from Dick's Sporting Goods, Academy Sports, any outdoor store. You won't even, I guarantee you won't find a better sheath at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. No way. I'll put this up against any of them. The quality of the work. Even if you buy a sheath from Case now, it ain't this good of a quality. And I'm so glad, John, that you done this for me, buddy. Appreciate it. And I love that right there. USMC. Hoorah. Semper Fidelis. And Jeff, thank you again for sending me this. And I just want to say thank you for, if your father-in-law was alive, I'd be thanking him for his service to our country, buddy. Thank you again so much, Jeff, from Dearborn, Michigan. Appreciate it, buddy. Love it, love it, love it, love it. But thanks again, John. I appreciate it, buddy. Appreciate you doing these sheets for me. It's good stuff, man. Good stuff. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I just want to thank all y'all for tuning in today. I just want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.